For the initialization of previous file from the first financing statement for external debt, it says instance number 7. So we're going to count downwards and hex values. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as we can see, this one says world debt here. And that's the one we're going to use, 7. So we're going to take this hex value, so we're going to use it. See if I can copy it. Alright, and now we're going to initiate this hex value as the signature key and identifier for the transfer. And initially, we're going to start with a 10B transfer of M0, which also can be translated into M1, and then we have some different values for when we decide to do exponentials of what's going to be loaded. So without further ado, let us move into the server room and populate the account. I'm going to take the prefix it's normally used for a company, and we're going to add the hex. Okay. All right. Let's set our account limitation. So 1 to 200 leverage. That way we can continue to do the M1 and the other exponentials that are outlined on our UCC filing. Okay. We're going to make sure that we can get the authorization and to deposit against the hex code, the 10B. Six character initialization of M0 funds. Done. Initialized. Look at our overall exposure. Here we have it here. We can check to make sure. We're going to log into an account. Check to Make sure here. So the caps lock is on. Turn the caps lock off. Add our new password and the account number to make sure that on the client side we're capable of trading these funds. Log in.
Incoming mail.
Okay, all is well. And we can see our funds here. And we have our hexadecimal key signature from our M0 funds that can be seen along with the prefix of the brokerage bank Keynotar. So now technically we are ready for trading. An example, we'll do test trade just to make sure. All right, initializing the test trading. And as we can see, we're able to actually trade the funds. Currently in the BTC USD pair. Okay, so we also are able to see that here. You can see our exposure. Now this will be the BTC USD. All right, I believe we're going in profit. So we'll close that out once that does. All right, getting close. There we go. And so I just closed out history. You can see here, order 395. Just bought some Bitcoin. We understand that the funds are actually pliable. They're not encumbered been properly deposited and transferred, and we are good to go. Our account is properly distributed of the tranche that we had in question. Number 7 on the external debt, DOA that was assigned to Kim Oyama. Everything good on this side. Everything good on the server side. Actually create a port.